What's up everybody, Thomas with TMWYT here, back again with another video on my Mk6 Golf R. Still working on it. It goes into wrap tomorrow and we finally got the brand new flares. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. Just a quick little time-lapse install of me getting the new flares on there. Pretty simple. I just had to drill a couple new holes here and there, and they fit amazing. I already got the other side mounted up. But here they are. They're from Fiberglass Mafia, so instead, if you saw my last video installing the flares, the last ones were plastic and these are fiberglass. And here's the rear one. And it doesn't look like a huge difference, but I can fully air out now. It's about an inch off from having the lip of the flares sitting on the lip of the rim, and that can be fixed with sizing down the tires, which I'll eventually do, but that's not a huge deal. The main thing is I can fully air out and I have really good fitment. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into it. I'm just gonna drill some holes in the flares, mount them up, and we'll see how it looks. All right, that is the rear flare mounted up with the beauty washers, or my cheap gold hardware from Home Depot. These were like 30 cents for a 5-pack, and they match the hardware on my wheels perfect, so it'll look pretty sweet. With these new flares, these portions here are a lot bigger than the ones that I had before, so I might try to get bigger hardware, or maybe keep the same hardware and get a bigger washer, but for now these look great, and that's what's great about hardware, is you can kind of try out whatever you want. I mean, I could get little spikes for all I care. No, this was fun. But that's it all mounted up, and you can already see overhang that it gives it, so we can just air out right on there, and we'll get about an inch off of it before we'll have to cut down the tire size to get it all the way down, because it's not even the flare that, at this point, it's not even the flare limiting me airing all the way out and getting fender to lip. It's the size of the tire, because I only cut so much out of the body. I only cut so much out of the body of the car, and so if I go all the way down to here, yes, if I go all the way down to here, I'm still sitting about an inch off. So if I stretch the tires a little bit, go a little bit smaller size, I think I'm going to bring the 265s back here and then do 255s up front, just add a little stretch. I think we'll be able to get it right down to the lip, and maybe add just a few, like 2 degrees of camber in the front and rear, but we'll see. But for now, I'm happy with this. Let's quit slacking off, get the front one on. That's what they look like at my ride height. Not too bad a fitment at all. They look really, really good. I have the beauty washers here in the back. Really pleased with how these flares turned out compared to the cheap ones that I bought. I mean, come on guys, you've heard it before. You get what you pay for. So these were a little bit more pricey. These are fiberglass, and I think the fit is a lot better. These flares are sweet, but this is too high. Let's drop it down. Dang, this side's even closer than the other side. That's awesome. As you can see, we're super close. It's just limited by the tire size bottoming out on my cut. So I bet if we changed up tire sizes, we could get it to sit fender to lip. But that is for another day. I just want to get this car wrapped. I just want to enjoy it. We can worry about that later, because I am pretty happy with this. Front fitment is great. So close to sitting under the lip. Looks like we're just catching over here on the tire. So again, the right tire size will be good. It probably won't bow the fender out like this either. But this is the only one that did that. I think this is my only, this is the side that is tighter. And the front is harder because you have the wheel that turns. So I bet if I got the wheel perfectly straight, I wouldn't have this problem. But remember, we have that weather stripping, so it'll disappear. And these, I've realized, like, I thought the flares were gonna be a really great look, and they are. I'm really happy with them. But it's really just a placeholder for the kit that I'm gonna order next year. It just has a 4-month build time on it, but it's the best kit that you can buy for this car. So that'll be really sweet. I'll order that probably the winter time of next year and have it all ready for next year, because I'm not waiting 4 months for a kit. I just want to get this on the street wrapped. I want to take photos. I want to go to whatever car shows are left this year due to all that stupid COVID-19. But guys, next video you see, this car will be going off to wrap with the new flares that actually fit the car. See, I'm so close. So close. I bet if I cut out more, I could honestly, no, it's probably stopping right here. But I'm tucking 275s on an 11-inch rim on a Golf. I don't know. What more can I say? I'm pretty happy. It's all gonna be done here pretty soon. Just gotta get the wrap done, put it all back together, do some final finishing touches that I had to wait until the car was wrapped. But guys, I'm really happy with how these flares look. The hardware, I think, is gonna look awesome. Matching the hardware on the wheels, matching the wrap. You guys are gonna go crazy when you see the wrap. Super awesome. Loving it. All right, just a quick little update for you guys. Next video, see, we'll be dropping the car off the wrap. I just wanted to show you guys these new flares that I got. I'll make sure to link them down in the description below from Fiberglass Mafia. They're really great products. The only bad thing was shipping time, but I mean, they're flares. It's a big box and he shipped them through USPS, but shipping wasn't expensive. I don't think I was charged for shipping. So free shipping. I think they were like 260 bucks for the full set. It's not bad. I mean, double the price of what I paid for those cheap plastic ones. But I mean, the quality shows. Like, really great fiberglass work. They're really sturdy, no cracks, anything. The shipping was awesome. They came bubble wrapped, like each one individually is tissue wrapped, bubble wrapped, and then saran wrapped, and then placed in the box. So really happy with the shipping. I'll make sure to link their page down in the description. They have universal flares, they have kits, and they have these flares that I ordered. These are actually for a Datsun 240Z. Fun fact. But If you guys enjoyed today's video, made it all the way to the end, I appreciate you. Thank you. Let me know down below if you watch my videos all the way through. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, drop a like. If you want to see more of this car, make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned. But that is it for today, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.